So we are here in Jupyter Lab on localhost. Now we want to create a Python program that takes an input like square root of some number and tell you between which two integers the square root lies. It means it wouldn't say to you now, but it will say to you only between this and between these numbers. It's okay. So this is the most problem, but we will try. So what we will do, we will need to import mathematics library. After we will define our problem, and so we will find square root bounds number. So it means if our number it will be, we must define all this. If our number it will be less than 0, it will be negative. So it means we cannot compute square root of negative numbers. So it will return square root. It must be lower. We must come to this point, and it will be like this. And now, okay, sorry for this. So if I will touch, so I'm here and enter a number to compute square root of number 44. I want it, and now we will say the square root of 44 lies between 6 and 7. So this is a very good program. You can check your homework with something like this, and you can think about what more. Okay, if I will want to put square root of 70, it will show me that 17 lies between 8 and 9. So it means 8 times 8 64, and 9 times 9 81. So 70 it will be between 8 and 9. Okay. Good.